Welcome to my cake kitchen. In this video I'm going to be handing you all the tips you need to make the perfect cupcakes. But not just that, I'm also going to add the cost and time of making this cupcake, so that if you're a beginner baker who is looking for some guidance on pricing for cupcakes, you will not be sure. Let's just jump into it. First, we're going to start by preheating our oven. I'm going to preheat this to 160 degrees C. It's a convection fan oven, but of course check your oven settings for any adjustment that will yield you the right results. Now on top here I have my ingredients. A list is right here on screen for you to see, and when we get to making the batter and the cupcakes are baking, I'm going to break down all the costs and of course the time for making the cupcake for you. For convenience, I am employing a stand mixer, my K-Mix here, which is going to help me derive the batter. But of course, for the quantity, you can use a hand mixer. A good tip for great results with your cupcake is to ensure that all your ingredients are at room temperature. So my margarine here is at room temperature. It is very soft because it has to be spreadable. So when I dip a knife in, a butter knife for that matter, I have an easy spread of margarine here. You want to make sure that's the consistency you are looking for, because if it is too soft it will melt, and if it's too hard it won't create a nice consistency of batter that will yield you great results. So into the bowl that goes in here, and there is my sugar, a touch of vanilla, which is 10 mils, and we are going to cream this for exactly 3 minutes. We've creamed the butter and sugar together, and this is the consistency we are looking for. It has to be soft, white, fluffy, and light in color. You overwhip this, we're going to have cupcakes that will overflow the lip of the cases, and we definitely don't want that. I have tried that before and that hasn't worked well. Now I'm going to slow that down and bring my mixer to 2, adding the eggs, when the eggs are all added, you want to make sure you scrape everything in and give it a minute to keep mixing together. After the minute is over, we want to add our flour. Now the flour I'm using here is a mixture of self-raising flour and plain flour. The details of why I do that is on screen for you, plus I'll add more information in the description box. Our batter is all done now. You want to make sure to mix all your batter in so you don't have specks of flour sitting on top. But everything is mixed in now. We are going to be putting our cupcakes batter in pre-lined cupcake tins. For the quantity and ingredients and yield, we have about 22 to 24 cupcakes. A good tip also is to dip your cupcake scoop into warm water. It will help dish out the cupcakes better. The quantity of butter you need though is something like this. One good tip though is to have yourself a tray of water to sit under the base of the oven and to kind of cool things over and give you a perfectly even topped bake. We'll see how that results in our bake. Our cupcakes have gone into bake for any time between 18 to 22 minutes. That's just a guide to help if you have a different oven setting. However, whilst our cupcakes are baking, let's just go ahead and check how much the ingredient cost is, which is on screen here. This time excludes the batter prep time and of course the baking time. We will total that at the end of the video and you will see how much these cupcakes cost per single cupcake. Our cupcakes are done now. These are perfect. This baked at exactly 20 minutes at 150 degrees C. Don't forget we had water to kind of keep everything calm. And here are the results of our cupcakes. With our cupcakes now baked, I promise to give you the batter making time including the bake time, so we can derive an exact price for how much these cupcakes are in total. And on that note, the cost of ingredients for these 24 cupcakes is exactly £3 2 pence, which will bring each cupcake to about 13 pence. But of course, cost of ingredients shouldn't be the determining factor alone for the price of a cupcake. Labor should be calculated as part of this. I'm going to stick with the basic labor cost, which is the prep time to finish time of the bake, including everything else I did in between, which was exactly 47 minutes. I'm going to round the 47 minutes to exactly an hour just to make an adjustment for you as a beginner if you're a little bit slow. Plus, it makes it easy to derive the British minimum wage, which is £12.71. And on that note, the full cost of labor just for about an hour and the cost of ingredients is right on screen, which will bring this cupcake to exactly 66 pence. If you are a beginner and you're starting to bake, 66 pence will be nothing, and that should definitely not be the cost of your cupcake, because you have buttercream amongst other considerations to make in terms of pricing. But that aside, you want to check the playlist here about all the basics a beginner needs to know about a cupcake. Good luck.